The Audi SQ5 takes the inherent quality of the standard Q5 SUV and adds some performance sizzle with a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, a sport suspension, and a few more stylistic features. Audi has taken the unusual decision of keeping the current SQ5 on sale indefinitely, despite plans for a new SQ5 in 2025. The new SQ5 has all new looks inside and out, and the 3.0-liter turbo V6 produces 362 horsepower, 13 more than the outgoing SQ5, and 94 more than the new Q5's 2.0-liter turbo 4. Otherwise, the sporty SQ5 receives the same 2025 changes as the new Q5, including new exterior and interior style, with a focus on merging modern technology with typical Audi luxury touchpoints, including a selection of upholstery and trim options. There is still capacity for 5 people, and Audi boasts that head and legroom have been improved, an allegation we will back up with empirical data when we receive a new Q5. The chassis dynamics of the previous SQ5 were known to be slightly softer than those of its key competitors, the BMW X3M, the Porsche Macan, and the Mercedes-AMG GLC class, and we're hopeful that the new model will get closer to its contemporaries in this regard, but not too close. Drivers who enjoy the SQ5's blend of practicality, performance, and smooth driving manners can continue to choose the essentially identical Sportback version with its sloping roofline. The new 2025 SQ5 is a modern interpretation of the previous car's design. The headlamps are more expressive, the hood has a newfound crease that emphasizes the clamshell aesthetic, and the playful slight upward kick in the previous car's sill line along the rear door has been traded for a very businesslike straight line. The required replacement grille design has been installed, and the lower air intakes are now functional. New wheel designs are offered, including optional 21-inchers. In Europe, 3 new colors, Ultra Blue Metallic, Daytona Grey Pearl Effect, and the new Sakhir Gold Metallic, have been added to the palette, and we hope they make the cut for the US model. The price of the 2025 Audi SQ5 ranges from $59,695 to $70,195, depending on trim and options. The new and outgoing 2025 SQ5S are powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6. The new 2025 SQ5 has an output increase to 362 horsepower. The previous model, which will be sold concurrently with the new one, has a rating of 349 horsepower. The new model replaces the previous SQ5's 8-speed automatic gearbox with a 7-speed automatic. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is included as standard. The outgoing model's 8-speed shifts gears run smoothly, but some staff members have reported occasional poor gearbox response. Those who decide for the carried-over SQ5 can select an optional S-Sport package that includes adaptive air suspension, red-painted calipers, and other features. How those components will be integrated into the new SQ5's option list remains to be seen. The earlier model's steering reaction is accurate and well-weighted, but the chassis prioritizes a smooth ride over razor-sharp reflexes. We believe that most purchasers in this segment will be satisfied with the SQ5's straight-line speed and pothole-free ride, but uncompromising drivers might explore the Porsche Macan. The SQ5 has an EPA fuel economy rating of 19 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, 5 miles per gallon less than the standard Q5. That isn't a bad price to pay for increased performance, but it will mount up over time. However, our 2024 SQ5 Prestige test vehicle returned 28 miles per gallon on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy run, a full 4 miles per gallon more than the EPA-rated highway figure. The interior of the outgoing SQ5 does not disappoint, whether you choose the conventional body type or the sleeker Sportback. Heated, power-adjustable front seats come standard, diamond-stitched quilted leather covers are just a box tick away, and there are still plenty of tempting extras, such as ventilated front seats, heated rear seats and additional leather trim for the front row. The new SQ5 improves on this great performance, with technological improvements and new interior style using high-quality materials similar to those found in many of Audi's more expensive SUVs. The previous SQ5's infotainment system was adequate, but the new SQ5 significantly increases the available screen space with an 11.9-inch digital gauge cluster, a larger 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment display, and an optional 10.9-inch passenger display. The latter includes a privacy mode that prevents the driver from being distracted while the passenger browses the internet or streams material. The new software was created using Google's Android Automotive platform, although we still expect Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to be supported. A head-up display is offered, as is a Bang & Olufsen stereo system with 16 speakers. The current Audi SQ5 SUV comes equipped with adaptive cruise control and adaptive cruise assist, which coordinates cruise, traffic jam help, lane centering, and other technologies for smooth vehicle operation and safety. The technology includes an extension of traffic sign recognition capacity to make the assist function more complete. We expect the broad list of available features to carry over to the new SQ5, and will update this section with full specifics on the US variants when they become available.